Fati buys milk at X naira per tin and sells each at a profit of Y naira. If she sells 10 tins of milk, how much does she receive from the sales? This is an objective test. We have been given 4 options here. So we will solve the question and then we will select the correct option. From the question, we are told that Fati buys milk at X naira per tin. So it means that each tin of milk costs X naira and sells each at a profit of Y naira. So after selling, she makes a profit of Y naira on each tin of milk. The cost of each tin is X naira and the profit she makes on each tin is Y naira. If she sells 10 tins of milk, how much does she receive from the sales? So the question wants us to find the total selling price if she sells 10 tins of milk. We know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. If we make selling price the subject here, we are going to have the selling price, which I'll represent with SP, to be equal to the cost price plus profit. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. We want the selling price if she sells 10 tins of milk. To find that, we will first have to find the selling price for 1 tin of milk, and then we will multiply our answer by 10. From our formula here, to get the selling price for 1 tin of milk, we will need the cost price for 1 tin of milk and then the profit for 1 tin of milk. That has been given to us. We are told from the question that the cost price for 1 tin of milk is X naira. So our selling price will be equal to the cost price, which is X naira, plus the profit for 1 tin of milk, which is Y naira. Y naira. When we simplify this, we can write it as X plus Y naira. So this is the selling price for 1 tin of milk. But from the question, we are being asked to find the selling price for 10 tins of milk. Just as I said, if we have the selling price for 1 tin of milk and we want the selling price for 10 tins of milk, we will have to multiply the selling price for 1 tin of milk by 10. So the selling price for 10 tins will be equal to 10 times the selling price for 1 tin, which is X plus Y naira. And this will give us 10 times X plus Y. So 10 into bracket X plus Y naira. So this means that the selling price for the 10 tins of milk is 10 into bracket X plus Y naira. When we look through the options we have here, the correct answer is option A. The amount of money she received from the sales for the 10 tins of milk is 10 into bracket X plus Y naira.